Looking for a quick way to visualize your data? Sparklines in Excel might be just what you need. Hey friends, welcome to the channel Data with Hannah. Today we are exploring the world of Sparklines in Microsoft Excel. These mini charts are incredibly powerful to show data trends over time and compact spaces in Microsoft Excel. We will explore each type of Sparklines with their practical applications. So let's go and start. First, let's locate Sparklines. Here under the Insert tab, we have Sparklines. And there are three types of Sparkline: line, column, and win/loss. First, let's start with the line. Line Sparklines are great for showing data trends over time. Imagine you are a sales manager and you want to track your monthly sales over a year. So let's go and see with the help of line Sparklines how we can do this. Here we have months. Under that we have the sales. Now let's go and see how we can add Sparkline. In the Insert tab, let's add the line Sparkline. Here we have to choose the data range. This is the data range from January to December, and the location range is into here. Click on OK. Now you can see that we simply added the data trends here. Now I want to change one thing. I want to see that Sparkline under these sales. So how we can do this? I have already merged these cells, but let's suppose we have these cells like this. Go and select all of these cells, merge it, then go to the Insert tab and add the line Sparkline. Choose the data range from here to here. Then choose the location of it, this merged cell. Then click on OK. Now let's expand the height of it like this. Now you can see that we have the data trend for a year with the help of line Sparklines. Now we can also add some of formatting here. Let's select this Sparkline. Go to the Sparkline tab here. Here we have different kinds of style for it that we can use. And also we have these options to show high point, to show which is here, to show the low point, which is here, and also to show first point, last point, which in this data is the same as high and low. Let's change the data, for example. Here, let's change this one to 1000. Hit the Enter key. Now this is the lowest point. And also let's change this one to, for example, 4000. Hit the Enter key. Now this is the highest number. Go to the Sparkline tab. Now if I select the first point, it will show me here, and last point it shows me here. High point or low point, high point and low point. Okay. Now if I select this marker here, it will show me all of the markers. We can also change the color of it from marker colors. Here we can change the color for each point. And whenever we want to remove a Sparkline, just go and select it and click on clear here. It will clear it. The next one is column Sparkline. Column Sparklines are great for comparing individual values. Imagine you are a teacher and you want to track your students' performances across different subjects. So let's see how we can do this with the help of column Sparklines. Here we have subjects, and below that we have the scores. Let's go and merge all of these cells. Go to the Home tab, merge it, then go to the Insert tab and add the column Sparkline. Choose the data range from here to here, and also choose the location of the range here. Click on OK. Now let's expand it like this. Now you can see that we can simply compare these values. Now if you see these values 85, 90, 88, 92 and 87 don't have this much difference that the bar charts shows us in here. That's because it will automatically choose the minimum value that is in between these values, which is 85%. Here, this is the minimum value. It will automatically select that. Let's change it to 0. Go to the Sparkline tab, and here in the axis, we have an option here, vertical axis minimum value options. Choose the custom value, and here you should add 0. Then click on OK. Now, if you see, it makes sense much more than before. Lastly, we have win/loss Sparklines. Win/loss Sparklines are great for binary data. Imagine you are an investor in a stock market and you want to track your changes, your daily stock price changes, where a positive change is a win and a negative change is a loss. So how we can do this with the help of win/loss sparklines? Let's see. Here we will select the cell, go to the insert tab, select win/loss sparkline. The data range is here and also the location range is G2. Click on OK. Now you can see that we have a positive change, which is a win in the first day. Then in the second and the third days, we have negative changes. And in the last fourth and fifth days, we have again positive changes. As simple as that. Now let's go and change the color of it also. And the win/loss sparklines, if you want to change the positive values color, go to the sparkline color here and select the color that you want. And for the negative values, here in the marker colors, negative points, select what you want. That was all about the sparklines in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.